Here's how to fix FaceTime waiting for activation. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you're trying to activate FaceTime, but it's just stuck on the waiting, basically, phase and it never turns on, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's hop into the settings app here. And from here, we're going to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on apps. From here, we need to find FaceTime. So scroll down and in the F section, tap on FaceTime. Now, what you'll see here is if I turn FaceTime off and then turn it back on here, it will essentially wait to activate. You can see it doesn't show up with anything below there, and it takes a little bit to turn on and off. However, if it never actually turns on, what you can do as a first step is just disconnect from your Wi-Fi and cell network. So to do that, swipe down from the top right, and we'll turn on airplane mode, and then wait a few seconds and turn it back off. So after you've done that, it will again reconnect to everything. And at this point, try to toggle it on and off and see if it does actually activate. If it doesn't, the next thing that I would recommend doing is just going back out of here, and then we will scroll up and get to cellular. Tap on cellular, and you're going to turn the cell line off and then turn it back on. Again, this will disconnect and reconnect and reinitiate that connection between your phone and the cell carrier services. Now, after we go through this process, the next step that I would recommend is tapping on General here. And we'll scroll to the very bottom and we're going to tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on Reset here. Once we do that, we're going to reset the network settings. Again, this can cause some issues with your phone connecting to FaceTime, so just reset those network settings and it will automatically, in doing so, restart your phone, which also helps to fix all kinds of bugs and glitches with your phone and with FaceTime as well. Now, if you go through all these steps and you're still having issues, I would recommend going back here, tapping on Software Update. Check to see if there's a software update. You can see I have iOS 18.2. Basically check to see if maybe there's an issue with the iOS operating system causing that FaceTime to not work very well. Or if it is working, basically just upgrading it fixes a lot of kind of bugs or glitches. Now, the last thing I would recommend doing is just heading into a web browser here. And we're just going to open up a new tab here and we're going to type in speed test. Because you need some internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cell data, to be able to activate FaceTime. So just hit run speed test and you're checking to see if you have something over a few megabytes per second. It should be good enough to basically load up and activate that FaceTime. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.